Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm your teacher Miss Sitwa. Today we are going to memorize and practice of third kalma, and as you know the name of the third kalma is Tamjeed. Last 2 weeks we have done 2 parts and today we will do the last part of third kalma. So listen the recitation of third kalma with English translation.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم.
And there is no might or power except with Allah. Now repeat after me. And there is no might or power except with Allah. I hope you will understand it. Now your homework is you have to memorize it, practice it at home, and take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.